Well, you guys have been doing a great job with your videos, with your Zoom sessions, with your Google Classrooms. Now, since we're getting ready to go into live teaching, have you thought about how we are going to document our attendance and be able to share it with our parents? Well, I know we can use Google Documents. I know we can use Google Forms. I know we can track it on a spreadsheet. But I found another way for us just to think about. It's called My Attendance Tracker. Here it is, myattendancetracker.com. Now, of course, set up an account. Once you set up an account, it's going to bring you to a dashboard that looks like this. Over here on this left-hand side is where you will spend your time inputting your data, your information. So let's create a class. You will click on Classes, Add a Class. Classes, Add a Class. Let's name your class. Let's name our class Practice Session 2. Click Add a Class. It's saving it. Okay. Once we have added that class and it saves it, it's going to show us all our classes. Okay. Now all we have to do is put our students in our classes. So let's add our students. Let's go to our classes and let's just click on that class that we just added. It'll give us our class list. Okay. Here it is. You'll see something that says Students Add. Let's add. Let's put our names in. So let's say Natasha. Add another one. Jeff. Add another one. Beth. Add another one. Okay, I'll stop right here for the sake of time. They're not saved until you click Save. So now those students are inside of that class, and you can see their names over here. If you want to edit the profile of this class, you can click Edit and go down here and give it a picture. I'll put that, put a start time of whatever your Zoom session is. Let's say it's at 1 o'clock on Monday. All of that is saved as well. Okay, so now I've given this a little picture that when it comes up, it'll show that. So you've created your classes, you put your students in there. Now, attendance. Click Take Attendance. Choose your class. Pick your day. 26. Choose your class. Let's say all of them were present. I could click Present, click Save, or I could individually say, oh no, Natasha was tardy, and click Save like that. You could go beside a mark, or you can do the drop down, whichever is your preference. But the more students you have, you're probably going to want to use the drop down. Okay? Oh, I just said that. All right. If I want to delete someone, I could. It shows you that 2 were present, 1 was tardy. All right. Let's go to another class. My Zoom meetings. These are some students that I have added. It shows that 11 were absent on this day, 4 were present on this day, 15 were present. All right. Now let's go to reports. And click General. Okay. So daily attendance sheet, student list, student attendance, class monthly, class attendance. Let's click class monthly. Choose our class. Practice session 2. Click Run. It shows me all the students' names and the dates, who was present, who was tardy. You can make this a PDF. You can change it to a CSV file, and this is excellent to give to our parents. Okay, so once again, I know you might have your ways of keeping up with your attendance, but this is another way that I found that would be excellent to pull it up quickly, and it's really quick. You create your class, you add your students, and then you check your attendance. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Bye-bye.